Jai Gurudev, dear students. Welcome to the mathematics class. Today we shall study about factorization of quadratic polynomial by using method of midterm splitting. So midterm splitting. So let's study about the method. How to factorize a quadratic polynomial by splitting its midterm. So you know that a quadratic polynomial is of form ax square plus bx plus c. ये इसका फॉर्मेट होता है. वेयर एक कंडीशन यहाँ पर और भी है कि a इज नॉट इक्वल टू 0. b 0 हो सकता है, चल जाएगा. c भी 0 हो सकता है, लेकिन a को 0 नहीं होना चाहिए. वाई? अगर a 0 हो जाएगा तो उससे मल्टीप्लाई होने पे एक्स स्क्वायर अपने आप खत्म हो जाएगा. इस कंडीशन पे हमारा पॉलिनोमियल क्वाड्रेटिक नहीं रह पाएगा. सो a शुड नॉट बी इक्वल टू 0. नाउ हाउ टू फैक्टराइज अ क्वाड्रेटिक पॉलिनोमियल ऑफ फॉर्म ax स्क्वायर प्लस bx प्लस c. ये फॉर्मेट आप लोग अक्सर देखते हो. जैसे मान लीजिए एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 2x प्लस 1 है. यहाँ पर देखिए a की वैल्यू कितनी है. यहाँ 1 हिडन है. दिस इज वैल्यू ऑफ a, 2 इज द वैल्यू ऑफ b एंड 1 इज द वैल्यू ऑफ c. ऐसे और बहुत सारे आपको मिल जाएंगे. जैसे 2x स्क्वायर प्लस 5x प्लस 9 है. सो दिस इज द वैल्यू ऑफ a, इट इज b एंड इट इज c. सो ax स्क्वायर प्लस bx के फॉर्म में होगा. फैक्टराइज करने के लिए हमारा पहला स्टेप क्या होगा कि मल्टीप्लाई a एंड c मीन्स कोएफिशिएंट टर्म ऑफ x स्क्वायर टू द कांस्टेंट टर्म. सो दे आर मल्टीप्लाइड a इंटू c. सपोज करते दिस इज वैल्यू इक्वल टू k. नाउ व्हाट वी शैल डू, वी शैल हैव टू फाइंड एनी टू फैक्टर्स ऑफ k व्हिच सम इज b. अब k के हमें ऐसे फैक्टर्स निकालना होगा जिनका सम b होगा. इमेजिन करते हैं जैसे ये p और q हैं, तो इसको इस तरह लिखना ax स्क्वायर प्लस p प्लस qx प्लस c. वाई? कि p प्लस q आर द फैक्टर्स ऑफ k व्हिच सम इज b. सो p प्लस q इज इक्वल टू b. सो नाउ पॉलिनोमियल विल बी ऑफ दिस फॉर्म ax स्क्वायर प्लस px प्लस qx प्लस c. नाउ 4 टर्म्स हो गए, इनमें दो के ग्रुप बना लेंगे और उनमें कॉमन लेंगे. इस तरह से इसको हम फैक्टराइज कर सकते हैं. अगर अभी कम क्लियर हुआ तो आगे एग्जांपल्स के थ्रू देखते हैं. Suppose that we have to factorize some polynomials which are given here. Factorize the following polynomials. First one is x square plus 7x plus 12. Second one is 3x square plus 8x plus 4. Third is 6x square minus 11x plus 3. Then x square plus x minus 6. 3x square plus 2x minus 8. So these are some polynomials. Let's factorize them. Come to first x square plus 7x plus 12. So we have already discussed that when we are going to factorize them, first what is the value of a here? So a means coefficient of x square. So a is equal to 1, b is equal to 7, c is equal to 12. So these are the values. Now what we have been told, that multiply a and c means 1 and 12 will be multiplied. So it will become 1 into 12 is equal to 12. Find the factors of 12 such that their sum is 7. यहाँ प्लस लगा हुआ है तो आप हमेशा सम देखेंगे. अगर इस सी टर्म में माइनस लगा हो तो आप डिफरेंस के बारे में सोचेंगे. वो हम आगे डिस्कस करते हैं. सो 12 के फैक्टर्स ऐसे फाइंड करना है जिनका सम 7 हो. बहुत सारे फैक्टर्स 12 के होते हैं, ग्रुप बनाते हैं. जैसे हम 1 इंटू 12 होता है, 2 इंटू 6 है, 3 इंटू 4 है, एटसेट्रा. सो सम किसका 7 आ रहा है. 1 प्लस 12 13 आकर 2 प्लस 6 8 होता है. 3 इंटू 4 इज इक्वल टू 7. 3 into 4 is equal to 12 and 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. So their sum is 7. We have found 3 and 4. So we shall write it as x square plus 3 plus 4x, because 3 and 4 their sum is 7 and product is equal to AC means 1 into 12 is equal to 12. 3 and 4 are the factors whose product is 12 and sum is 7. So we have written it as x square plus inside bracket 3 plus 4 bracket closed into x plus 12. Now break the brackets by multiplying them. So x into 3 is equal to 3x, x into 4 is equal to 4x. So x square plus 3x plus 4x plus 12. Now there are 4 terms in the polynomials. Midterm has been splitted up. So beginning there were 3 terms, now there are 4 terms. Make the group of 2 terms each. These are the groups. So in this way there are 2 groups, x square plus 3x, 4x plus 12. We have taken common of x in first 2 terms because x is common in both of the terms. So we have taken common of x, and here remains x square divided by x is equal to x, 3x divided by x is equal to 3. So x plus 3. And second pair of terms, we have taken common of 4. 4x divided by 4 is equal to x, 12 divided by 4 is equal to 3. So x plus 3. Now we have taken x plus 3 as common, and there remains x and 4. So it is x plus 4. So x plus 3 and x plus 4 are the factors of polynomial x square plus 7x plus 12. Now let's see next. Here we can see that x square also has a coefficient other than 1. So it is somewhat different question. So let's have a glance at it. 3x square plus 8x plus 4. First multiply a and c, means 3 multiplied by 4 is equal to 12. Find the factors of 12 whose sum is 8. Those are 6 and 2. 6 plus 2 is equal to 8 we have written. Now 3x square plus 6x plus 2x plus 4 equals 3x. Now the 3x square plus 6x have been taken as first pair, and second pair is 2x plus 4. Observing first pair 3x square plus 6x, take the maximum factors which can be taken as common. So 3x is included in both of the terms. We take common of 3x, so here remains x plus 2. 3x square divided by 3x remains x. 6x divided by 3x, it is 2. Now in next 2 terms 2 is taken as common, so x plus 2. Both are same, x plus 2 taken as common, and further remains 3x plus 2. So it is the factorization of the polynomial. Come to next part of question. This is of next type where we can find minus also. So जितने भी ले रहे हैं सब अलग अलग different types के हैं ताकि आप हर तरह के questions को solve कर सकें. So here 6x square minus 11x plus 3. याद रखिए जब तक आपका ये c पॉजिटिव रहे तो आपको इस प्रोडक्ट के ऐसे फैक्टर ढूंढना जिनका सम b के बराबर हो. 6 into 3 equals 18. Find the factors of 18 whose sum is 11. So those are 9 and 2. So we have written it like this. 6x square minus पहले से लगा फिर लगाए रखेंगे. Inside bracket 9 plus 2x plus 3. Bracket is broken. So 6x square minus 9x minus plus minus minus 2x plus 3. So 3x is taken as common because first 2 terms of the expression contain 3x as maximum common factor. So 3x is taken as common here. So there remains 2x minus 3. 6x square divided by 3x. 3 2 is 6. X minus 3. X is cancelled. 3 9 is 3. And here no number or variable can be seen as common. So we have taken minus 1 as common. So here remains 2x minus 3. Minus plus minus. So 2x minus 3 is common in both terms. So 2x minus 3 taken as common. Here remains 3x minus 1. This is the factorization. Now next, it is also specific where c term means constant term has been negative now. So what we will do? In order to factorize, first coefficient of first find value of a, b, c. So a is equal to 1. B is equal to 1, C is equal to minus 6. First multiply A and C, that is equal to 1 into minus 6 is equal to minus 6. Now find out the factors of minus 6 whose sum is 1. Or you may say, if minus produces problem, so remove minus for some time and only find out factors of 6 whose difference is, because there is minus, so we shall have to find difference is 1. So difference is 1. Those are 3 and 2. So write x square plus 3 minus 2, because difference of 3 and 2 is 1. X minus 6. So multiply x. So x square plus 3x minus 2x minus 6. X is taken as common, so it remains x plus 3. Minus 2 taken as common, here remains x plus 3. So x plus 3 is taken as common here and remains x minus 2. This is the factorization. तो याद रखेंगे, अगर कांस्टेंट टर्म नेगेटिव है तो उसको a से, यानी कि कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ a एक्स स्क्वायर से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, और जो भी प्रोडक्ट आएगा उसका साइन नेगेटिव है तो हमें ऐसे फैक्टर्स ढूंढने हैं जिनका डिफरेंस b यानी कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ x के इक्वल आ रहा हो, और उसको ऐसे ही ऑनेस्टली लिख करके हम फैक्टराइज कर लेंगे. दैट विल बी वेरी इजी. नाउ वन मोर टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चन. Here x square has coefficient and constant term is negative. So here also we shall first multiply a and c. It is 24. माइनस को थोड़ी देर के लिए भूल जाते हैं, और b term is 2. So find factors of 24 that their difference is 2. So these are 6 and 4. 6 4s are 24. 6 minus 4 equals 2. सो प्लस वैसे लगाए रखेंगे, हम 6 माइनस 4 लिखते हैं माइनस 8. ब्रैकेट तोड़ते हैं, 3x स्क्वायर प्लस 6x माइनस 4x माइनस 8. दो टर्म्स के ग्रुप्स लेते हैं एंड टेक मैक्सिमम फैक्टर एज कॉमन. सो 3x इज इंक्लूडेड इन बोथ ऑफ द फर्स्ट टू टर्म्स, सो वी हैव टेकन कॉमन ऑफ 3x. इन ब्रैकेट इट रिमेन्स x plus 2. And in later two terms, minus 4 is the maximum common factor, so minus 4 taken as common, it remains x plus 2. Always remember that these two terms should be same. अगर ये सेम नहीं आ रहा है तो मतलब आप क्वाड्रेटिक पोलिनोमियल का फैक्टराइजेशन सही ढंग से नहीं कर पा रहे हैं, कहीं आपसे मिड टर्म स्प्लिटिंग में, साइन में या नंबर सिलेक्शन में प्रॉब्लम हुई है, तो आपको ध्यान देना पड़ेगा. x plus 2 is included in both of these groups. It is taken as common and remaining parts are taken in one group. 3x minus 4. It is the final factorization. Now, one more question. 3x square minus 4x minus 15. So, we have to factorize this. First multiply a and c. It is 45. माइनस लगा हुआ है, so we shall have to find a different factors of 45 such that their difference is 4. माइनस को ध्यान मत दीजिए, only 4. So what are those factors? 45 के factors ढूंढेंगे. We have found them 9 and 5. Their difference is 4. So we have written 3x square, माइनस लगा, ईमानदारी से लगा देंगे. 9 minus 5 is equal to 4 minus 15. So 3x square minus 9x plus 5x minus 15. When we have broken the bracket, so minus plus minus 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 is equal to plus. So there are two groups now. 3x square minus 9x, 5x minus 15. So in first group, common is 3x. So 3x square divided by 3x, it is x. Minus 9x divided by 3x, it is minus 3. Second, common is 5. So 5x divided by 5x minus 15 divided by 5 minus 3. So x minus 3 and 3x plus 5. This is the factor of this polynomial. So in this way, we have learnt how to factorize a quadratic polynomial by factorize its by split its midterm. And this way is very easy, you can do it. If still there is a problem, you may ask. And question number 4 of exercise 2.4, that contains some quadratic polynomials to be factorized. So by using this method, you can factorize them easily. In the next session, we shall learn how we should factorize the polynomial by splitting the midterms if it's contain a fractional coefficient or an irrational